Today I will welcome you to this year's 2026 Juvenile Harvest. Today our first lesson will be taken from the book of Proverbs, chapter 4, 20 to 27. I read, "My son, pay attention to what I say. Turn your ear to my words. Do not let them out of your sight. Keep them within your heart. For they are life for those who find them and health to one's whole body. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Keep your mouth free from perversity. Keep corrupt talk far from your lips. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. Give careful thought to the paths of your feet. And be steadfast in all your ways. Do not turn to the right or left. Keep your foot from evil." Amen.
Select TV. Keep watching.